Here we are in Prince William Sound for part 2 of June fishing. And as you can see, here we are surrounded by islands rather than the open ocean setting that we had on the flats. A little bit more like being in the San Juans, only everything's a little bit bigger. One of the things that's different here is that along the shore there are set netters that we get to work around. They have a little more priority in certain ways. It's Tori talking on the phone, having some engine issues today, so she's calling it in to see if she can get some advice. Anyway, that's my 360 on Prince William Sound. We are just south of Main Bay and just off of Falls Bay is our current location.